Hi guys, how's you? As you know, we had created a sign up form in our last video. Okay, let's check it. Localhost tutorial signup.php. Okay, this is the basic structure of our sign up form. Now we need to pass users input data up to our database and save it in our database. So first of all, we need to create a database, that is tutorial. Okay, now inside the database we need to create a table with name users with 5 field. Okay, first field will be id, first name, last name, email and password. Okay, id will remain integer, this will be worker, this one also, and this one also. Password will be character. Okay, now provide length 20, 20, 20, 20 and password 128. Okay, id will be automatically generate. You can say auto increment and select as primary. Now save it. Okay, now I have a table that is users with 5 input field or column: id, first name, last name, email, password. Okay, now we need to establish a connection between our sign up form and our database. Okay, so I'm going to create a new file, that is connect.php. Okay, start with php connection mysqli connect, host name localhost, oops, username of the database will be root because there is no user for my database, password remain empty, and database name is tutorial. If anyhow there is an error in our database connection, then we will get an error message. Oops, mysqli connect error. Okay, then we will get an error message, that is failed to connect to database. Okay, save it. And now we need to include connect.php file in our signup php file. Okay, include connect.php. Okay, okay, now I'm going to tell you what is action. Action is that send form data to processing file. Okay, action will be taken by server and php self. Php self, I did a mistake. Okay, now save it. Now we need to process the file. Okay, if server, okay, server request method will be post because there is a post method in our sign up form. Okay, now start with variable. We have 4 input field in our sign up form, so we need to create 4 variable: f name, host. mm, Inside the first input field, what is the name of the first input field? that is first name, so we need to provide it here. First name Alan, that is last name, last name, oops, email, last one is password. Okay, now I'm going to write script to insert the user's data in our database. I'm going to using uh, prepare statement method because it saves us from SQL injections. Okay, statement connection name is a connection name, prepare. Okay, insert into, what is our table name? Our table name is users, and how many field there? There is 5 field, but id will be automatically generated, so we need to provide here only 4 field. First will be first name, last name, email, and password. Okay, and value will be, okay, now we need to bind the parameter. How many parameter we have? We have 4 parameter. First, okay, now start with statement bind parameter. How many parameter we have? We have 4 parameter, and as denote as indicate that, as is indicate string. Okay, first parameter is f name, second is l name, next one is email, last one is pass. Okay, now execute the query. Okay, execute the query. After successful insertion of users data in our database, we will get a successful message that will be, you are successfully registered with us. Okay, save it and check it in our browser. Okay, refresh it. Okay, Harry, put up email Harry at the rate gmail.com. Oh, and password also Harry. Okay, you can see you are successfully registered with us. Check in our database. Okay, Harry, first name, portal, last name, email Harry at the rate gmail.com, and password is Harry. So password is sensitive, so we need to encrypt it. Okay, I'm going to encrypt password with MD5. Just add MD5, save it. Now again register, refresh it. Oops. Okay, now we need to Harry hotel harry@gmail.com, and password also Harry. Oops, Harry. Okay, you are successfully registered. Now refresh it. You will see there is a password with encrypt format. Okay, it's save method.